right, we are here in the ITW booth, and I have Tracy, Haley, and Matt here with us today. So let's get some brief introductions. Let's start over there first.
Yeah, I'm Matthew Cotton. I'm the K-12 Sales Development Manager for Hobart Warewash, and this is my first ANC, so it's been really exciting, and just looking forward to the rest of the show.
That's awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. Well, welcome to ANC.
Yeah, appreciate it. It's been great. It's been great.
Haley?
Oh, yes. Haley Eltine. I'm the K-12 Business Development Manager at Charleston. ANC, I've been doing this for a while.
How long is a while?
2017, I think, was my first show, so
Okay.
6 years.
Okay, I love it, I love it. And Tracy?
Hi, I'm Tracy Suter-Stamp, and I am the K-12 Market Manager for Vulcan, and this is my probably 20th ANC.
We're not trying to date you.
I know, right?
She started when she was 12.
Yeah.
Right,
Pro.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So great.
Great.
So ITW is, I feel like, coming more together lately. So all the different brands. Can you talk to me about that?
Sure. So ITW is our parent company. We have Hobart, Charleston, Baxter, Wolf, and Vulcan. And in the past, it has been a little more segmented, but now we're trying to really come together as one team and move forward, offering really everything that a kitchen would need.
Yeah.
We can wrap a kitchen with cooking equipment, refrigeration, warewashing, food machines, and we also have a service leg. So we're really trying to let people know that we can handle all of their needs.
You're the total package.
Right, we're
Yep,
the
total
total
package.
It simplifies it for the operator, right? They don't
Yeah.
have to talk to this one person about dish machines or this person for food machines. It's like they get to talk to one person and they can really hit their heavy equipment needs.
Yeah. So Tracy, like being a past operator, like I'm sure, like thinking of this from that perspective, it does make it much more simple because literally it's a one-stop shop. You can get everything you need for your kitchen in one place, right?
Right, exactly. And the thing that's nice about that is that as an operator, you have service companies come in, you might have your facilities department helping out. With a common brand, there are a lot of similarities, and you can go to one parts department and you can fix whatever brand, Hobart, Charleston, or Vulcan, it's all there.
So once again, thinking as an operator, when you have your director's hat on and you're thinking about redoing your kitchen, what was the biggest thing that you needed support with, and how is ITW providing that support?
That's a great question. For me, especially as a new director, it's intimidating. Large equipment is a purchase that's going to stay around for 20 or 30 years, so you don't want to make a mistake. But what I see with ITW is that we have so much support for K-12 specific. It's one of our largest segments, and we're completely committed to K-12. So we have K-12 specialists for each of our product lines. And within that, at Vulcan, we have a product line manager for our steam line. We have a product line manager for our convection line. We have product line managers that can help. So there's so many layers of support that it helps that end user kind of take the intimidation out. And we have our sales reps across the nation that have K-12 specialists. So we have so many people that can help.
Great, I love it. And you guys will actually like teach directors and chefs how to use the equipment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys want to talk
Well, I think empowering people to feel comfortable with the machines that they've made huge investments in. It's not just kind of one of those things where you're like, well, here it is, it's been delivered, good luck with it. We want to support that, not only as manufacturers, but we do have a service side of Hobart as well that I think is a big differentiator, and it gives the end user that a little bit of relaxation that the machine's going to be supported, because like Tracy said, that is a huge investment, and we expect results and they expect results, and it's nice to be able to support that, and we can go into any of those conversations and feel really comfortable saying we'll be there to support that because we're willing to back up the product and educate and empower them to be, partners. I think that's what we always try to underscore is we want to be great partners with them. It's not about us, it's about them providing a great experience for their clients, which are kids, and what's better than helping kids eat healthy and
they are the most honest customers
that's
ever.
the truth. That's the
We
truth.
know that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah.
So Matthew, what's your specialty?
So, for Warewash, automated dish machines are labor savings. It's making life easier on a kitchen staff. We know from being involved with the SNA, labor is a huge issue, right? Getting people to stay in the job, getting them to come in to get interviewed. So we see Hobart dish machines as a labor saver, not only in time, but if I come into a dirty kitchen, my first instinct might be like, I got to get out of here. But with automated dish machine, it takes a really big job, makes it really simple, and it does it in a super efficient way, a sustainable way. That's a message we really talk about, a ton, is that, especially a state like Colorado, people want to throw away styrofoam in tons. Okay, if you have a plastic tray that's 3, 5, 7 years, you'll get out of that tray and you can keep using it in a Hobart dish machine that's as water and energy efficient as any other piece of equipment. So we take a lot of pride in that. There's a lot of engineering and thought that goes into making more sustainable products for our end users. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah,
So.
for sure.
All right, so Haley, what's your jam?
My jam? Well, refrigeration, it's kind of an odd duck, right? It's not really a processed product. It keeps stuff cold. But what's key is that when it goes down, then everything is, the sky is falling. So what's important for Charleston is to design equipment that's going to last. It is not uncommon to go into a school, maybe out in California or New York where we started, and I mean, you see decades old refrigeration. And that's because it's been engineered that way to last and to keep stuff cold and to be reliable. And that's what we strive for at Charleston. We want it to last. No more throwaway refrigeration, right? You don't have to replace it every 5 years, 10 years. It's gonna. You take care of it, it's gonna stick around. Thing for us too is making it durable. K through 12 is very nice to their equipment.
Yep.
Restaurants are a little bit different, but we want it to take the beatings, take the abuse, take the door openings, recover temperature, have those gaskets last longer, all of those things. And then the third aspect would just be making the kitchen more efficient. So things that can help with preventive maintenance, to make that less of a priority, and make it easier on staff to do, like easier to reach. All of those things to just help drive efficiency across the kitchen, and so that you can focus on what really matters, which is preparing meals for the students. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So you don't want to worry about your refrigerator going down.
No.
You need to worry about making sure that they have what they need on their plate, and that they're getting fed for the day so they can go learn.
Cool. So you guys have any few last comments you want to throw in there about what you guys are doing as ITW or here at the conference?
I think my closing statement would be, we appreciate the SNA, we appreciate those K-12 food directors, those employees. We know they're working really hard to provide a really core competency. These kids, they need healthy meals, and it's really exciting for us. We're passionate about supporting them, really.
Yeah.
Cool.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you all so much for letting me hang out in your booth today.
Yeah.
Thanks for what you do for all the directors out there and the food service industry as a whole. And thank you everybody out there for watching.